back to the garden. So today we are coming to the end of September, so it just begs the question, when do I bring my tropical plants in? Purpose of the video, I have actually bunched a few of my favourite plants, my favourite tropical plants together. So what I've done, obviously we've got the red banana, which is the ENSETE morellii. I've got my MUSA BAJOO, a couple of bigger ones. So I've got the red star cordyline, which isn't quite as frost hardy as the green one. So the Australis, it's not quite as robust. Then of course just there, which looks a bit sorry for itself actually, is my BRUGMANSIA. So this is my yellow BRUGMANSIA. So like I say, we're end of September now. I won't be looking at bringing any of these in until at least November, just so we can get maybe another month, possibly month and a half out of them, just so we can enjoy them. So these plants are nowhere near done yet, and obviously it is going cooler and it does feel colder, but these will be absolutely fine and you can still enjoy them. So what I've done is I've put myself a little setup just so I can come and sit on the patio, sort of brought my plants around me if you like, and then I sit out of an evening, I'll light the fire and I'll just enjoy them. So this is absolutely nothing fancy, but it really does the job. Cold evening, I'll light up my little fire, I'll sit out, cup of tea and just enjoy it. That would be my best advice, because these plants are a lot tougher than what we give them credit for. Just don't get caught out with the frosts. Just like that, it started to rain. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please enjoy like the next 6 weeks, because these guys aren't ready to give up the ghost just yet. So until next time guys, I'll see you in the garden.